Hi, this video tutorial I will cover the difference between implements runnable and extends thread. There are two ways we can create the thread. The first way is implements runnable and second way is extends thread. Here you can see the class runnable example which implements runnable interface and override run method and provide implementation. Here you can see thread example which extends thread class and override run method and provide implementation. We will see the difference between implements runnable and extends thread. Inheritance option. In case of implements runnable, it is possible. We can extend any class. In case of extends thread, it is not possible. Reusability. In case of implements runnable, it is yes. In case of extends thread, it is no. Object-oriented design. In case of implements runnable, it is good and allows composition. In case of extends thread, it is bad. Loosely coupled. In case of implements runnable, it is yes. In case of extends thread, it is no. Function overhead. In case of implements runnable, no. In case of extends thread, yes. Inheritance option. The limitation with the extends thread approach is that if you extend a thread, you cannot extend anything else. Java does not support multiple inheritance. In reality, you do not need thread class behavior because in order to use a thread, you need to instantiate one anyway. On the other hand, implementing the runnable interface gives you the choice to extend any class you like, but still define behavior that will be run by separate thread. Reusability. In implements runnable, we are creating a different runnable class for a specific behavior job. It gives us the freedom to reuse the specific behavior job whenever required. But in case of extends thread, reusability is not possible. Object-oriented design. Implements runnable is a good object-oriented practice. Extends thread is a not good object-oriented practice. Loosely coupled. Implements runnable makes the code loosely coupled and easier to read because the code is split into two classes. Thread class for the thread specific code and your runnable implementation class for your job that should be run by a thread code. Extends thread makes the code tightly coupled. Single class contains the thread code as well as the job that needs to be done by the thread. Functions overhead. When we extend the thread class, we are inheriting all the functions of the thread class, which we may not need. Job can be done easily by runnable without the thread class functions overhead. And this is about the difference between implements runnable and extends thread class. And thanks for watching.